In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur an image in Canva. If you want to soften part of a photo, hide background details, or create a more polished visual effect, Canva makes the blur tool very easy to use. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to apply it, whether you want to blur just one area or the entire image. To begin, open your design in Canva. Make sure the project you want to edit is already on your screen so you can work directly on the image inside your layout. Next, click on the image you want to blur. This is important because Canva needs to know which element you want to edit before it shows the image editing options. Once the image is selected, you should see the editing controls become available. Now go to the top toolbar and click Edit. This opens Canva's image editing panel, where you'll find different tools and effects you can apply to your selected photo. After that, look over to the left-hand pane. In the Tools section, click See All so you can expand the full list of image editing options. From there, find and select Blur. If you don't see it right away, just scan through the available tools until it appears. Once you open the Blur tool, you'll have two ways to apply the effect. The first option is Brush. This is useful if you only want to blur a specific part of the image, such as a face, background object, or any distracting detail. Adjust the brush size and the intensity to control how large the blur area is and how strong the effect appears. Then simply brush over the part of the image you want to blur. After you apply it, give Canva a moment to process the effect. The second option is Whole Image. This is the better choice if you want the entire photo to have a softer or less detailed look. Just adjust the intensity and Canva will automatically apply the blur across the full image. This is a quick way to create a subtle background effect or reduce sharpness throughout the photo. And that's it. That's how to blur an image in Canva. Whether you use the brush option for targeted edits or the whole image setting for a full photo effect, the process is simple and flexible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.